Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to set any video as a live wallpaper on your iPhone. So to do this, you will need to download this video to live app from the App Store. It is a free app, so you can download it without paying anything. Once you have downloaded the app, make sure to turn off your internet connection because this app shows a lot of ads. So make sure to turn it off first. Once you have done that, simply open the video to live app. Now here you should see this video and live photo option. Simply tap on it. Now select the video that we want to use as a wallpaper. So I'll just select this one. Now tap on next. Now you can also add another video if you want. Once you have added the video, you can select the specific time frame that you want to use. You can then tap on this play button to preview the video. Once you are satisfied, tap on this make option at the top. Now select your iOS version. So live photo iOS 17 plus. Now simply wait for the app to convert it into a live photo. Once you see this message, exit the app and go to the Photos app on your iPhone. Now simply find the live wallpaper that you have just created. Now here tap on the share icon at the bottom. Scroll down and then select use as wallpaper. Now here make sure you enable this live photo option so that the wallpaper moves when you unlock the screen. Once you are satisfied, simply tap on done. Now you can lock the screen and unlock it to see your live wallpaper. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.